everybody, it's Jackie Williams, and today I want to share with you just a few tips on how to prepare your Stampin' Up! Ink pads when you first receive them. So as you can see, when you first receive them, there are some stickers on the back with the color name in various languages. Now I suggest that you take the one in your language and put it here on the end of the stamp case. That way, if you have it stored in some sort of a rack where you just see the ends of your ink pads, you can see what color you have. But now you do have these other stickers. What I like to do is take this one that actually doesn't have any writing on it. Let me just set that aside. And I like to open my ink pad and place it here in this well. Because often when the ink pads are open, they all look black or some other very dark color, and it's hard to tell what color they are. So if you have these, you might as well use them and use that on the inside of your ink pad. Now the remainder of these stickers you can use if you'd like, and I'll show you in just a moment another way you can use them. However, I would suggest that you do remove even this white sticker backing and remove all of this, because if you leave it there, they won't stack properly. You see how you have these little knobs on the bottom of your ink pad, and then on the top of the other ink pad there's these little recesses, and these actually lock in and fit together really nicely. And you can see that if you've got the labels on, then you can see easily, even if they're stacked, what colors you have. But if you still have any layer of those sticker elements on the back, they won't fit together nicely. Now on this ink pad, which I did not set up, they used all the stickers. So you've got one along the side on the top, you've got one on both ends of the ink pad, as well as one on the inside. So if you would like to have it labeled on all sides, you do have enough stickers to do that. Now, on the topic of storage, just make sure that however you store your ink pads, that you do store them so that they are this way up, so that the label is showing. If you store them on the side or transport them on the side, there is a chance that they will leak depending on the humidity in your climate and also how much ink is in your ink pad. Now the last thing I want to go over in this video is how to open your ink pads. So if you hold it like this in your hand with the label facing you, then all you need to do is lift it up like a compact, and then it slides in and locks into place. And then to close it, I like to turn it around, and this little well where you may or may not have put a sticker, you're just going to pull on that and then close it again. Now another tip is to have it down on your table like this so that it's facing you, and where those two little dots are in the top corners, just press near those on the lid with your two thumbs, and then it just pops open like that. Some people may find that easier to do. So I hope that helps and that you get lots of use out of your Stampin' Up! Ink pads. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.